Oh my god, I am tripping with swagger. Hi, could I get 9 on 13?
Thank you.
Thank you, have a great day. You see, that's my white people, boys. Aston Martin, we got back, man. I'm not talking much. I'm sweatier than a mug right now. Sweatier than a mug. Alright, let's do this. Aston Martin, another one. Lamborghini Aventador, number 1. You just gotta be a little bit savvy. You know what I mean? A little bit of savvy, which gets you to the point of a level of a savage. You got a little cut over here, a little over there, a little over there. Get to the front, like oof. Instead of making a super tight U, you saw what we did. Oh yeah, all the way. Oh yeah, can I get a? Oh yeah. Love saying that. Name a kid. Oh yeah. Get to bed. Oh, what it do? Alfa Romeo, we have destroyed you. We have destroyed you. Let me see your report card. Oh yeah. Straight A's again. Good job. Oh yeah. You know, you just can't pop it like that, man. What we got on them? What we got on them, huh? Manya. What we got on them? We got nothing on them. Thank you. Ferrari, California, right off the line with the Chica in it. Alright, she won't do anything because she's smart. She's smart. You know what I mean? She's smart. Come on, man. Let me open it just a little bit. Another Aston Martin. Them old folks would be spending. Them old British folks would be spending. We got a Ferrari up there. Let's catch up to that once this car passes us. Ooh, catch in the club. Ferrari, California, right in between. You saw what I did? I dropped them. I dropped the speed and I caught the light. Ooh, my favorite kind of Ferrari. That's an F12. You is not getting in front of me, homie. That Ferrari is mine to look at. Then we got a Corvette up there, and we got nothing else up there. Another person trying to swap lanes and they just stop. This is not an F12, is it? What is it? It's not an F12. Well, I was like, why is it not going down in more gears, homie? Which Ferrari is this? I really don't know. Oh, smart. This is sad. I can't remember what Ferrari this is. This is sad. Looks good though. Looks good. That red ain't a bright red though. It's kind of like a dim lit red. You got that Ferrari red. I got that Ducati red. And no, Ducati is not. All right, the Ferrari of motorcycles. This the Lambo of motorcycles. You just assume it's the Ferrari of motorcycles because it's red. But it's not, all right? Audi owns Lambo, also owns Ducati. No, but seriously, even if anything, I would say that no, Ducati is not. I feel like people make that assumption because a Ferrari is red in Italian, and Ducati is red in Italian, and stuff like that. Maybe that's why, I don't know. Oh, Lamborghini uterus. Look nice, look nice. Nah, but I honestly think that it's the Lamborghini for Lamborghini motorcycles. And the reason I say that is because it has that custom sound that's only Ducati known. I've never heard of Ferrari. I've never heard of car pass by as a Ferrari, and I could tell it's a Ferrari just by listening to it, as well as I could do it for a Lamborghini. Lamborghini has like the way they've tuned the engine. It has a custom, beautiful exhaust sound. The engine is just, mwah, it's so good. So I believe that it has more similarities to Lamborghini, and I call Ducati the Lamborghini of motorcycles instead of the other way around of calling it a Ferrari of motorcycles. I don't believe that. But again, you are, free to believe whatever you like. I don't believe whatever I want. We got a Ferrari right behind us, as you guys can see or not see. I'm sorry I haven't added the rear camera yet because I've been lazy. I wanted to ride. Okay? Yeah. I just wanted to ride. Then I'm gonna uterus. No, but I just wanted to ride. That's why I didn't want to take the extra time. And I could have done it last night, but I was getting busy with it, if you know what I mean, man. I was getting busy with it. It has a nice front though. It looks really good. Looks really, really good. Really good. I told you 37 and we in the 3s. I told you. That's the speedometer, homie. Speedometer. Speedometer. Isn't that what British people say? Speedometer? Speedometer? Something like that. I was supposed to turn back there. No. Never mind. Up here. F you bicycle, I couldn't turn because of you. Didn't know what it is you were gonna do. But look at that, I don't think it's a Ferrari in motorcycles. Ducati red, I understand both red, but I believe it's the another one, white one. Nice one. California. And another uterus, man. People are just ripping it and buying them, man. First, I used to see like one every like couple of days, but now we see them everywhere. And we're turning up there too. I like. But well, we ain't chasing anything, so in the clutch, get to butt. Go, homie. Who turns that slow? But that's the first time I've seen a Lamborghini uterus with the little rails on top. With the little bicycle, you put your bicycles on there and stuff. It's the first time I've seen that. So they're actually using it for a family vehicle. I like that. It's cool, because that's what it's meant for. A lot of people mod it out and use it for other purposes, which I don't think you should. You should sometimes, but not always. Because the more fun is going to be using it to daily drive everywhere, I think. Also, back to our topic, but yeah, let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think Ducati is the Ferrari of motorcycles or the Lambo of motorcycles? I'm going to go with Lambo because personally, I like Lambos more. But overall, just the whole Audi thingy. And because it sounds, Audi owns Lamborghini and owns Ducati, that. But also because I feel like Lamborghinis, besides the color of yellow and stuff, I feel like Lamborghinis and Ducatis have more in common than Lamborghinis and, in comparison to Ducatis and Ferraris. Because, you know, look at a Lamborghini, man. I told you, the custom noise, just the styling of it, man. The styling of it. I think it matches, man. I think it matches. The headlight way, the headlight scheme, whatever you call it, all that stuff, I just feel like it matches a Lambo much more than a Ferrari. And again, personal bias, because I love Lambos more than Ferraris. And you guys will see the most Lamborghinis on this channel ever. There's something about them, man. Oh, with Ducati. I can tell. V4R, V4S, 2020. It's either a V4R or a 2020 V4 or V4S. Or somebody with, like mine, a V4. And dude, gun it. You got a dude up there. Or I'm saying somebody like me who body swapped the fairings. Pick a lane, homie. You want to come here, put the blinker on, I got you. But pick a lane. You can't just swap lanes like that. That's only allowed for me. And is the lane fat enough? Hell yeah. See, it's the same Ferrari. I told you guys. You didn't believe me? Watch this. Same one. I like that.